rhythm tree. And as you said, George, I did paint it. It's very beautiful. But it's got numbers all over it, okay? So we're going to build up our rhythm tree with the longest notes at the top and the shortest notes at the bottom. Now we're going to have a blue team and a red team, okay? So girls, you're going to be the blue team and you two are going to be the red team. Now, I would like, if you have more than 2 people in a team, you could have 4 people in a team. You divide up the rows, but Jemima, I would like you to do this top row and this row here. George, I'd like to do the second row and the 4th row. So Charlotte, you do the top row and this row, and Lindsay, you do this row and this row. So we have done this before, so I'm going to get you guys to build it up and then we'll show it to you, okay? Otherwise we model it as a class first time, but since you've done it, let's give it a go. Are you ready? Steady. People doing the top row and the other row, go. So we don't have everybody in the middle. Just wait, George, Charlotte, you go. That's it. Okay, people doing the second row, off you go. Where is it? Ooh, I haven't put it. Is there 2 in? Yeah, there you go. That's it. Okay, people doing the third row, off you go. So if you've got a bigger class, we don't want everybody in the middle all at the same time. So this is a way of helping that sort of happen. Okay, people doing the 4th row, off you go. That's it, fantastic. Excellent, brilliant. So we've got 10 cards 11 cards altogether, so we can have 11 people just building one rhythm if we need to. Okay, so this is our rhythm tree. We've got our top note, and we'll be talking about the sounds that go with these rhythms, okay, in just a second. Okay, so can we please, can anybody remember how many beats does this top one last? Yes, Charlotte. 4. So if we look behind, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 beats. And Lindsay, can you remember the rhythm name for it? 4, or. So we stick our hands together like this, and we go 4, or. Fantastic. Okay. Jemima, how many beats does this one last? 2. So if we look under here, we've got 2 beats. 1, 2. And George, can you remember what it's called? How many beats has it got? 2. So we call it a 2-woo. 2-woo. Fantastic. Okay. How many beats are these ones? Yeah, go on, George.
1.
1. Fantastic. So these are 1 beat. Can anybody remember what the rhythm name is for this? Jemima.
Ta.
Ta. Ta. Ta. Ta. Fantastic. And these ones are a bit tricky because we've got 2 inside 1 beat. So they're worth. Can anybody know what one of them is worth? Oh, wow, fantastic. Yeah. Then we've half a beat, fantastic. And what do we call them? What's the rhythm name? Yes, Lindsay. Brilliant. So we go T, 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 T. Okay, so we're going to perform our rhythm tree, but we're going to stand up. So everybody stand up for me, please. And we're going to do it with our full bodies, and we're going to do it all together. Ready, steady, off we go. 4, 2-woo. 2-woo. Ta, 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 ta. T, 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 T. And we can add in some jumps for our tas, yeah? Okay. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get you guys starting. Maybe Charlie, if I bring you into shot. You're going to work with this group, I'm going to work with this group. Okay, we're going to start off. When we finished our 4-4-4s, these guys are going to start, yeah? So you perform your rhythm tree, we'll perform ours. We're going to finish first, you're going to finish second. Are you ready? Ready, steady, off we go. 4,